This is my chicken kebab here. So chicken kebab, green chicken kebab. Hello guys, today I'm going to making chicken kebab, mixed veggie chicken kebab. I'm just going to show you how to make. So I'm going to put in this much black seed. That's the called black seed. I'm just going to put in this much here in there. So 1 spoon salt, 1.5 spoon here, 1.5 spoon salt, 1 spoon crushed chili, dalpad march. This is the mustard seed here, saryane dane, sarson ke dane here. And this is mustard seed here, this much. Going to adding 2 spoon coriander. This size 8 spoons ground flour, besan, ground flour, yeah. So 1 spoon garam masala, half spoon, less than half spoon ajwain caramel, little bit fresh coriander. So this is 3 pound weight chicken, boneless chicken here, keema, and mixed veggie, carrot and what's it called, carrot and spinach, and shimla march is called red pepper, and all mixed veggie, and some onion and garlic, ginger. So that's the mixed keema. I'm going to making kebab today. I'm just going to show you how to make. This is my type of how to make. Everybody's gonna making, but this is my type of masala, how to make it.